Hello everyone, this is architect Ankit Chaurasia. I will be making videos related to architectural field which will help the student of architecture in the life as an architect. So if you are pursuing architecture or you have just completed it, this video is for you. In today's video, I will be sharing 5 most important tips which will help you to grow in life as an architect. So let's get started. Number 1. Awareness and need of an architect in our country. Development and progress of a country requires building and infrastructure. Obviously, architectural profession which goes hands in hands with building industry is enjoying its fruit. Nowadays, there are growing opportunity for architectural training in every nooks and corner of India. But simply joining the college and completing the 5-year training in 4 wall of classroom is not enough or sufficient to become a successful architect. It is a universal truth that experience is the best teacher. Number of college of architecture in our country and more particularly in Maharashtra is increasing rapidly. More and more students are involving in this field. I urge them to all and more specifically to the teachers over there to please understand and realize the good standard of professional practice without any personal gain. If not, then as per the word of an English author, an architect have to survive on peanuts like monkey on a zoo. So mind it. Number 2. Information. The information which I am sharing you with right now is much more important to you than an examination. Examination, of course, you should work with an intention to clear it, but mind it, it's not everything. You have to collect enough and more information before you pass out of a college. It shall be as a base to you all life as an architect. Professional practice will reveal you this. Once you pass out of college, you will feel embarrassed to express your ignorance in public about certain aspects of your own profession. Therefore, please remember this is the last opportunity for you to learn more and more and more without feeling shy. Make the most of the time you left in your college. Have interaction with your teachers and ask them genuine difficulties and try to collect as much as information with your teachers if possible. Please remember, to be a successful architect, it demands a much professional aptitude as a skill of design. Number 3. Rules. To give you a small example, suppose a young boy has just learned to control a two-wheeler. He is not yet safe on the road until he learned the traffic rule. Without the knowledge of the traffic rule which was so important for him, he might met with an accident or may someday prove to be fatal. In professional life of an architect, his skills and abilities to design have to be coupled with proper professional procedure which will help himself safe in career. Driver must not only know the traffic rule but also follow them strictly while driving. I will be making a separate videos on rules, regulation, liabilities and responsibility of an architect. Number 4. What is next? This is the most important point in this video. Now that you are almost at the end of the course, let's see what lies ahead awaiting you. After studying for 7 years, or you can say for 17 years, most of you must incline to say enough to studies. But there may be few of you who still have the enthusiasm to study further. For those, you have to collect the information about the postgraduate subjects available in our country or even abroad. Choose the subject of your liking. Urban planning, landscaping, conservative or heritage building are some of the topics which are offered by the university in our country. There are the field in which you can work as a profession after graduation. Product designer, interior designer, software designer, structural designer, town planner, in railways, in armies. It is not that every one of you must have to enter into a private practice. There are job opportunities in government and semi-government departments. All we need are good people there too. It is important to know yourself better. What is the situation in your family? Some of you may have to shoulder responsibility of a family immediately. Your family may require steady and assured income. So by nature's choice, you may not like to go out and mix with the people. Remember, there is an age limit in government sector, so don't waste that time. Finally, I may say, choose a career of a liking and do best in your given situation. Number 5. Hard work. Well, no field is easy or hard if you really love what you are doing. Each field has its own shares of hard work. Me, being from this field, probably say there would be a hard work and fun. There would be a time when you will question yourself why you chosen this field. But believe me, there would be also a time when you will feel proud and happy of choosing it. your interest in this field is responsible of making it easy or hard. Nothing is easy because life isn't easy. It's all about the mindset. When I was in school, my English teacher taught me three important D's in life, that is dedication, devotion and determination. Live it and keep it. So guys, if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.